Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the door bean in a Frigidaire refrigerator. It's going to be very easy repair, should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. When you open out the package, you're going to get a new door bean. This door bean is located at the top of the freezer door. It's used for storing small objects. The main reason to replace the door bean is if it's broken and won't stay in place. To get to the part, we need to open the freezer door. To remove this old door bean, we need to press it up. This is the old door bean next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. To install the new door bean, we need to bring it in and push it in all the way, and then press it down. And now when we're done, we can close the freezer door. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.